Things are stacking up nicely at Miss Jenny's Pickles these days. But there's one thing that's a worry: the approximately 30% drop in China's stock market over the past few weeks.
It's affecting everybody, even us right here in Kernersville, because with the pullback, our Chinese buyers can't afford to bring in pickles. And they can bring in a few, but they can't bring in the orders that we were doing 3 and 4 years ago.
The problem in China has been brewing for years. Investors bought stocks in droves, sending the market higher. But those purchases were funded by large amounts of borrowing, creating a bubble which experts say has now burst, leaving Fulton to worry about the future of business there.
Everything's on hold. So I'm extremely worried.
Here on UNC Greensboro's campus, one economics professor I spoke with said he wasn't surprised to hear that some businesses are worried. That's because consumers tend to spend less when there are big stock market declines.
There'll be less growth, less demand for products inside China, and the Chinese demand for commodities and products worldwide will go down. So the whole world economy is going to feel it at the margin.
Allen doesn't think this should lead to panic just yet. We'll have to wait and see how bad the fallout really is in the long run.
How big that ripple effect will be will depend on what the Chinese authorities do and how the people react over there.
In the meantime, Jenny's Pickles hopes for a quick recovery.
Every market and every economy goes through a correction. Let's don't panic. Let's get them through this correction. I hope that it happens sooner than later.
Because her yearly shipment of 10,000 jars to China depends on it. Amara Omeokwe, Time Warner Cable News.